Sophia Vigonte from STEM 12 St. Paula. I will present a cell city analogy and explain the similarities between the functions of cell organelles and the people and buildings found inside a city. This is my cell city analogy. The city is called HEALTHINECITY, which represents the words health, necessity, and city. So HEALTHINECITY is responsible for providing diagnosis, distributing treatment, and promoting good health. So let's start stating the similarities between the functions of cell organelles and the people and buildings inside the HEALTHINECITY. First, the patients in the hospital are like the proteins. The proteins need the help and support of ribosomes and nucleolus. Proteins help in metabolism by providing structural support. So just like the patients in the hospital, the patients need the help and support of the doctors to receive treatment and recover. Second, the office of the president is like the nucleus. The nucleus acts as the control center of the cell. It is responsible for regulating or controlling all cell activities like growth, metabolism, protein synthesis, and reproduction. So the office of the president also serves as the control center, but in the HEALTHINECITY. It is where all the instructions and rules are created. The office of the president also regulates the activities that occur within HEALTHINECITY. The president is like the chromosome. Chromosomes are found inside the nucleus. It directs all cell activities, including cell growth and reproduction. Just like the president acts as a leader of the HEALTHINECITY, the one who directs all the divisions and facilities in the HEALTHINECITY. Next, the security guard's role is similar to the function of the nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane protects the nucleus. It also controls movements that occur in and out of the nucleus. Just like the security guard in the HEALTHINECITY, the security guard protects the office of the president. It secures its safety and examines all the people that go in and out of the office. The doctors are like the ribosomes. Ribosomes help in protein synthesis or the protein production process. Just like the doctors are the ones who aid the patients by providing the treatment they need to recover from their sickness. The laboratory is like the nucleolus. Nucleolus also helps in protein synthesis. Its role is to assemble the RNA codes for protein synthesis. So just like the nucleolus, the laboratory also helps the doctors in providing diagnosis and producing cure or treatment for the patient's sickness. The ambulance is like the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum serves as the transport system that delivers all the materials needed by the cell. Like the endoplasmic reticulum, the ambulance serves as the transport system, but for the patients. The ambulance helps in rescuing and accompanying the patients to the hospital. The nurses are like the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus receives the proteins from the endoplasmic reticulum for processing or packing, and it will distribute them to other parts of the cell. So just like the nurses receive the patients and they will examine them and also distribute them to specific rooms or facilities in the HEALTHINECITY. The pharmacy is like the mitochondria. The mitochondria produces the energy needed for cell activities, Mitochondria is the site for production of adenosine triphosphate or ATP energy molecules. The pharmacy provides medicines and other necessities that give energy to the patients. So the storage room is like the vacuole. The vacuole is the storage for food and waste. It stores the essential materials. Just like the storage room is a storage for essential materials and health supplies for the hospital. The doors and walls of the buildings in HEALTHINECITY are like the cell wall. The cell wall provides extra support and protection to plant cells. The doors and walls of the buildings provide additional support and protection. It protects the HEALTHINECITY from potential contaminants. The utility staffs are like lysosomes. Lysosomes help to keep the cells clean. It is responsible for intracellular digestion and breaking down and recycling cell waste. So just like the utility staffs maintain the cleanliness of the HEALTHINECITY by removing all the waste and garbage in the city. Next, the HEALTHINECITY walls are like the cell membrane. The cell membrane is like a barrier that surrounds the cell and controls all the substances that go in and out of the cell. So just like the walls in HEALTHINECITY, the HEALTHINECITY walls surround the city to protect the city from outsiders and bad people. Next, generators are like chloroplast. Chloroplast transforms the raw energy from the sun into productive energy for the plant cells. Just like the chloroplast, generators also have the same function. Generators are the source of energy or electricity for the entire city. It is a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The HEALTHINECITY environment is like the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a cell's internal environment. It is a gel-like substance made from dissolved protein and liquid encasing the cell, which gives it a fluid nature. It is important for the cells to move without crashing with each other. The HEALTHINECITY environment has a good ambience and fresh air, which can help in patients' recovery. That's all. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something about the functions of cell organelles. Again, I am Sophia Vigonte from STEM 12 St. Paula.